Another thing, Team Remax, as of April 1st, rental property owners are required to take pictures of a property upon termination of a tenancy and after making necessary repairs. Now, at a bare minimum, you need to be communicating this to your homeowners that you are helping them with finding tenants. Most of us simply place tenants, but I know sometimes some of our agents go a little beyond that out of the hope and promise that a landlord may at some point want to sell their property or buy another one. So some of our agents do go a little bit beyond just placing tenants. This is where you can be of service because notice that although the car form MOI, move out inspection, can be used to document the property's condition, your landlords are probably not going to have that form, and you are not allowed to just simply hand that form over to them or to the tenants. You have to participate in this part of the process, which does allow you to re-up your landlord for their next leasing, because otherwise you would just be placing the last tenant and then your hands are done on this here. Also, notice the new form SUM-MOI, which is a summary of the move-out inspection, can be used just to document these conditions for which a deposit deduction is made. And to illustrate this, I'm going to show you, okay, the move-in summary MOI form, which is basically just this. It's not much different than an addendum that you would write. But then, so once the landlord has gone through the home and any changes to the home that they feel they need to upgrade or clean or modify, anything that they have to do to the home to bring it back up to snuff that they want to then charge their tenant for would be detailed on this form. Now, again, that allows you the opportunity to remain actively involved in both tenant and landlords situations so that you could represent them both on their next housing options or needs. On that there, please keep this in mind, and I still recommend that a video of the property, both at the beginning and at the end, is the best way to virtually eliminate any disagreements about what was the condition of the home at that time and what is the condition of the home now upon releasing occupancy of the property. That one is not mandatory, although it is a recommended best practice. But it is mandatory that there be at least a move-out inspection that can be documented on the property's condition. So please do this, and thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.